So what's your take?
Stop cosplaying vegan food as non-vegan food.
100% agree. If you're gonna be a vegan, just be a vegan.
Stop, gaslighting me into thinking that this vegan food is not actually what it is. Stop saying buffalo cauliflower wings. They're not wings. It's a plant.
Wait, they're not wings.
They're not wings.
They're nuggets.
Not even that. Stop it. That's
It's
a stretch.
cauliflower nugget.
It's a cauliflower that is being in a sauce.
It's
It's because it's cost $18, and now I'm upset. Just say what it is, or alternative, be cute and funny. Call it
bites
or tax fraud.
Call it tax fraud?
Sure, give it a quirky little name,
What about bites? Buffalo cauliflower bites.
Okay, cauliflower is the size of a bite, so that's just kind of contradicting, and it's making me mad. I don't like that. That is so ridiculous.
1, 2, 3.